Say thank my omnipotent, omnipresent, and almighty gods, as well as my dear venerable preceptor, Mr. C.K. Saigal, sir. I offer pranam with folded hand. Who am I? Don't know, but people call me Prachi Uswami, birthing from Hajipur. But nowadays I'm residing at Chaudhary Bazaar 4. My higher education now I'm doing ninth from C.K. Saigal School in Learning Tree at Bazaar Samiti. My father is Chaudhary Uswami, who is a businessman. That's all my intro. Now I'm going to deliver a glance of previous knowledge of English. Once upon a time, I want to learn English. So when I was in class sixth, so I said to my mom. My mom admitted me in CKSI Institute because a girl dwelling beside of my home. She talks to my mother about Mr. C.K. Saigal sir. That's why my mom admitted me in his institute. After this, first of all, sir teaches us parts of speech and its sir parts of speech, and he always and such pedagogy is so good, and his behavior is also good. After 4 5 days sir takes oral test. Those who give wrong answer in oral test sir always says do more hard work. After teach parts of speech sir starts tense and it's all kinds. Sir takes oral test by one students, and he charge fine those who give wrong answer in oral test. But sir didn't discourage any students, and he always said do hard work. So I also did in sir's school. So sir doesn't take coaching fee from school students. Now 10th end, and then our third chapter starts miscellaneous. Sir taught 40 rules one by one, and he took oral test one by one. Some students give wrong answer in oral test, but some students give correct answer in oral test. Those who give wrong answer in oral test, sir charge fine. So I'm in charge of this batch. Many students in 4 p.m. batch, but some students left the batch. But sir always says who do work hard, who will become a topper of this batch, and who focus on the go through, who will success, who always success in his life. And sir is very good preceptor. Then sir then sir taken oral tests. uh, now miscellaneous end ever, and he and sir taken verb test. So I also stand first in test, and I got full marks. Sir had taken vocab test in school, so I also got full marks, and I stand first. Then sir starts question bank. Now he teaches, and now he takes all tests. Some students give wrong answer, but some students give right answer. Some students give wrong answer. Sir always says do hard work and revise the tout chapter. Sir teaches in front of his home. Sir teaches in front of his home. Sir is a very good preceptor. Sir's color is fair complexion, and sir always put on clean clothes, and he eats light food because he had to go through. He eats light food because he had to go through, and he doesn't eat and he doesn't eat food after 5 p.m. uh, sir Sir is a very good preceptor. Sir has a sound knowledge in English. Now our question bank end. Now going our spoken training is very well. Uh, Now going our spoken training is very well. Intro class is the first class of training, and integration class is the second class of spoken training, and there are many classes go ahead. Many students in 4 p.m. batch, but some students left the batch. There are 4 students in this batch, such as Richa, Sonakshi, Mahi, and me. Sir always says, "Who do work hard, he always success." Many there are now going our spoken training are very well. Now going our spoken training very well. Uh, like to say thank you, sir, by heart and soul. And when would sir not teach us, and not he charge fine? So maybe we not learn to write and speak fluent English. That's why once again I say thank to sir by heart and soul. when when I will my mom will be very happy when I win in final debate competition, and sir will give me trophy. That's why I say to thank sir by heart and soul. Thank you for teachers, and thank you for teachers, and you are the best preceptor of this of whole Hazipur, and you have a sound knowledge of English. Thank you. Sir.